So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to move your existing website to a new domain on Hostinger, here's a simple way to do it. Firstly, in each panel, go to Websites, then Manage, then Backups, and download both your website files and database backup. Now go to Websites, Add Website, then choose your hosting plan. Select WordPress and enter your new domain. Now, open the new website's file manager, then go to Public HTML. Upload your website backup, then extract the archive and place the website files in the correct folder. Now restore your database backup, then upload and update your website's configuration file with the new database details if required. Finally, make sure the new domain points to Hostinger and test your website. Check your pages, images, links, and logins before switching visitors over. And that's it, your website is now running on the new domain on Hostinger. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next one.